Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using every legitimate path Apple provides. First, look for a trusted device or trusted phone number to receive a verification code. That's the fastest way. Once you have a code, sign in and immediately change the password to a strong, unique one. If you cannot get a code or reset via email, start Apple's account recovery procedure right away and prepare to verify identity. This preserves your claim to the account while Apple verifies ownership. Once you file for account recovery, give precise details. Full name, birth date, device serial numbers, past passwords, and recovery keys, if any. Apple may ask for intermittent updates. Check the recovery status regularly and follow any emailed instructions. Make sure to note the recovery case ID and contact Apple support with it if you need clarification. This helps speed verification and reduces delays, while Apple confirms your identity and account ownership through their secure procedures. Once Apple restores access, immediately change your Apple ID password and enable two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts. Next, review devices signed into Icloud, sign out unknown devices, and remove activation lock from devices you control. If recovery fails or is denied, contact Apple support with your recovery case ID and, if needed, take the original purchase receipt or device packaging to an Apple store or authorized service provider. This physical proof is often decisive in resolving ownership disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.